What if you could create stunning text effects in seconds using AI? Today, we're combining Adobe Illustrator with Adobe Firefly to transform ordinary text into extraordinary visual art. Start by opening Adobe Illustrator and creating a new document. Type your text using any font that inspires you. The key is choosing a bold, readable typeface as your foundation. Once your text is ready, we'll prepare it for AI enhancement using Firefly's generative fill and text effects capabilities. Select your text and access Adobe Firefly directly in Illustrator. Use the generative fill feature to add artistic backgrounds and textures. Experiment with descriptive prompts like glowing neon, liquid gold, or cosmic particles. Firefly generates variations instantly, letting you explore endless creative directions without manual design work. Layer your effects by grouping text with generated elements. Adjust opacity, blending modes, and colors to achieve cohesion. Use Illustrator's native tools alongside Firefly outputs for precision. The combination creates professional-grade text art that looks complex but takes minutes to produce. Save your creation as high-resolution PNG or SVG. This workflow is perfect for social media, branding, or portfolio pieces. Share your results in the comments. We'd love to see what you create with AI and Illustrator together. Hit subscribe for more AI art tutorials and creative professional-grade text art that looks complex but like this video and comment your favorite text effect style.